morning, Marauders! My name is Esperanza Chavez.
And my name is Isabel Castro.
And welcome to the Junior Takeover episode.
Let's go to our first anchors.
Hi, I'm Mason Cramer. And were you thinking about joining choir? Well, if you were, here's a recap of this year's choir.
We need to eat these other. Yeah, we're gonna eat them up and we're gonna leave no crumbs. Okay, this is the best choir.
Heartland 2020.
Everybody, I'm on my way. New friends and new
My first festival went fantastic. Apparently I was really loud and everyone could hear me. And I'm really excited to be here.
and there's nowhere else that I'd rather be. Tell everybody I'm on my way.
2, 3.
Step out, the sun beating down the side. No matter what the distance between, and the stories that we tell will make you smile. Oh, it really lifts my heart. So tell 'em all I'm on my way. New friends and places to see, and to sleep under the stars. You could ask for
Guys, I
more.
made this.
On my way now.
The most exciting part about choir is when I hear the music and everyone come together and we all sing a beautiful song and we get a show in front of an audience and let everyone know our talents and everything. I think that's a very exciting part about choir.
I've known Sutherland almost all my life, and actually the reason that I came to Monache is just to be in Sutherland's choir, and it's definitely lived up to the expectations. It's a great program that he runs, and yeah, pretty much Sutherland is the answer.
Hi, I joined choir because I needed art credits and I didn't want to take art, so they put me in choir, but then I've grown to love it and I'm so glad to have been a part of the choir for the last 3 years.
So I like choir because of the trips.
My favorite part of choir would have to be the family dynamic that it brings. I have found so many sweet souls and so many kind-hearted people that just taught me how to get through high school and get through this class the best way possible, and of course appreciate Miss Sutherland's talents and each other's talents.
The reason why I joined choir is because I like singing, and when I was little, that was the first thing I wanted to do. And now, since I'm a singer now, I can sing all voice parts from bass to soprano. And I want to miss singing here in choir, here in Monache now.
Hey, my name is Pedro Chavez.
My name is Mike, and this will be a Marauder Spotlight on another fellow Michael King.
Hi, I'm Michael King. I'm a junior here at Monache. I've been playing guitar for 8 years now. I started with acoustic for about 3 and switched over to electric, and I've been playing electric since. So All of the instruments except for guitar, drums, and bass were all in elementary school for band. And then drums and bass I kind of stopped playing over the years. And guitar has been my main instrument that I play every day. My biggest musical inspiration would be Adam Jones from Tool, because when I heard the opening riff to Sober, it made me want to learn like how he was making the guitar sound like that, and like made me want to listen to more and more music like it. So I plan to release solo and group music eventually in the future. I'm just looking for someone to form a band with. And then I have done solo stuff in the past, but it wasn't the greatest because it was like 8th grade and I wasn't very good. The hardest song I've ever learned on guitar was The Sin in the Sentence by Trivium. I learned it a few weeks ago and it took me at least 3 days to get it comfortable, like playing it through comfortably with the solos and stuff. And the easiest one would be Iron Man by Black Sabbath. It's just a basic beginner riff that I think every guitarist learns. I'm Michael and this is my Marauder Spotlight and I'm signing off.
I'm Albert. I'm Aiden, and this is our segment about animation.
Hi, I'm Nevaeh.
Hi, I'm Rebecca,
And this is our Powderpuff segment.
Hi, my name is Nathaniel Plancarte, and my segment is that we're gonna be recreating famous scenes from different movies and TV shows.
That's all we have for you guys today, Marauders.
I'm Isabel.
I'm Esperanza.
Hope you have a great summer.
And your future seniors,
Signing off.